welcome with another video. Now, this is Professor Dr. Moina Mughal from Dr. Ahmed's Institute of Chemistry, University of St. Jamshid, and this is my scale. Wow. So, because I've drawn this, a drawing, you can see a drawing. So, what is this drawing? This drawing is simply a funnel. So, what is the topic today? Hot water funnel. Or what are hot water funnels? There are 2 to 3 types. The first type is this one, which I have drawn with my own hands. Now this is simply a hot water funnel, and now you can see here there are two. It has got a double wall, and that is simply made up of a copper jacket, right? It has its inner side is made up of a copper jacket. And what is that for? For, of course, hosing purpose. And it is ascended, right? It is ascended on a tripod simply, and you can see here it has got a tripod. So water can be filled in the space here and here. The water can be filled in this place, that is here and here. Water can rotate, water can move, right? So it is filled in this space between the two walls for heating to the recommended temperature range. But the point here is that you should avoid the boiling temperature of the water. That is below, it should hit the range below 100 degrees centigrade. So it's not a very commonly used funnel, but mostly these hot water funnels are used for the compounds that during the process of filtration, they are so quick to crystallize that if they are not at all, if they don't have this jacket around it, if it's only a simple funnel instead of this one, what happens that the compound starts crystallizing in the stem of the funnel. So this was the basic purpose of these hot water funnels, because the hot water is constantly circulating the compound that is being filtered, and it will simply drop down into the container where you are collecting your filtrate. So now it is not, as I just mentioned, not a very commonly used funnel, but compounds, what type of compounds can be filtered that have you can say a very thick consistency, like honey, like for example paraffin, like castor oil, like you can call something like glycerine, right? Glycerine also, and fats can be filtered, and waxes and ointments and all type of creams, right? So these can easily be filtered via this hot water funnel, hot water jacketed funnel, and as the steam or warm water is constantly circulating around, right? So I thought that you will find this little video a little bit interesting of this hot water funnel and why it is used and what it is used for. So this is just for the information for my students who are looking for things which can be asked from them in their exams or in their MCQs. Nowadays lots of students are attempting the MCQs and they are opting for different jobs, so these small things can be asked. Thank you very much. So the next type of the hot water funnel is this coiled one. You can see here, now this is simply a funnel. It has a funnel, and this is coil. It is started by a coil, right? So what is this coil made up of? It is made up of copper. So this is made up of copper. So the copper tubing is it has some sort of a it must be having a thickness. It is almost about 9 to 10 millimeters in diameter, right? And the cone is 60 degrees, has a 60-degree angle. This cone has a 60-degree angle, so that all funnels can be placed in it. So you can see here it has got a stem also. The stem is not very long, but it has got a stem also. So it is mostly used, this type of funnel is mostly used in filtering solvents or liquids that are not flammable, right? That do not catch fire. Okay, so now what happens that steam or hot water is passed into these coils, right? into these coils. Steam or water is passed through these coils, right? So passed into these coils, and what will happen that it circulates around, and it surrounds it, right, the funnel. So this is how it works. Okay, now besides hot filtrations, even cold, we can also do the cold filtrations. Can be accomplished easily via using this coiled, copper coiled or lead coiled funnel. This can also be accomplished as cold water circulates inside the tubings, and will simply help in filtering the solvent, whatever you are filtering in, and in that sense you will get the filtrate from at this end. You can collect the filtrate after that. So this is also a type. The first type I have explained, the first one, and then again the second type, that is the coil type. The third one is also there is also a third type, which is also called electrically heated funnel, and it has got you can say it is a constant, has a level instrument or a funnel, and even Buchanan funnels can be used in that type of a funnel. So I hope you like this short video today about these coiled funnels, and about the upper one that has got the jacketed funnel, right? So these are the two hot water funnels. Now you can easily answer anybody what are the two or what are the three different type of hot water funnels. I'm Professor Dr. Moina Mughal from Dr. Kazi Institute of Chemistry, University of St. Jamshoro, and I am very much here in my own office explaining you all these things. So that's it. I hope you like this video and you will learn, might have learned something from it. Thank you very much.